How is it possible for the Earth to maintain an atmosphere next to the infinite void of perfect vacuum space?
Yes.
Yeah, if we ran an experiment on Earth for that, it would not be possible. You cannot have a perfect vacuum in contact with a pressurized volume.
And the only argument that the anti-flat earth say is gravity, but they also say that gravity's stronger next to Earth. It gets weaker as you go up.
Sure.
But I can take a straw, put it in my mouth, and create the tiniest difference in pressure by making
pressure. Yep.
And I could pull water and air effortlessly up and away from gravity, but the Tor 17 vacuum cannot.
I see your argument. It would, in a lab, you could not create a scenario where you have a perfect vacuum and a pressurized chamber next to each other. It just wouldn't be possible. Now,
but by the way, Matthew, so really quick, I can guarantee you will not find me anyone recreating a vacuum without a container using your belief in gravity.
No, I agree. It would not be possible to do it in an experiment. I mean, I've done it. It's your little picture there of what would happen. The pressures would equalize, and the air would escape into the perfect vacuum and fill the infinite void of the universe. What you're saying?
Discuss how we would look for a new law. In general, we look for a new law by the following process. First, we guess it. Then we no, don't laugh. That's really true. Then we compute the consequences of the guess to see if this is right, if this law that we guessed is right, we see what it would imply, and then we compare those computation results to nature, or we say compare to experiment or experience. Compare it directly with observation to see if it works. If it disagrees with experiment, it's wrong. And that simple statement is the key to science. It doesn't make a difference how beautiful your guess is. It doesn't make a difference how smart you are who made the guess or what his name is. If it disagrees with experiment, it's wrong. That's all there is to it.